Hey guys, it's me, Mario. No, I'm just joking. I'm being stupid and
boy, if you don't get.
Hey, it's me, Crossman. I'm back with it, for part 2. Today I'm by myself. I'm not gonna be with anyone. It's a part 2 of tree camping. I don't know if you saw part 1, but you should definitely go watch it. I'll put a link down below in the description. But nice, let's go. First, Infection, because that's the best game mode.
Boy, if you
Casual, because I mean action. Okay, so let's try and tag the last 2 people.
Hey, mister! Hey, mister!
Hey, little mister, I'm dating your sister.
My love just went viral.
He didn't even notice. No, not Ratatouille, it's Ratatata.
boy, if you don't get.
Boy, shut up.
Oh, come on! Can't I just make my video, man?
Yo, don't tag me first.
I'm gonna tag you first.
Are you using Steam? No. Oh my god, I forget how you go tag. Hey, monkey.
Womp womp.
I'm the best dancer in the world. Oh, heck no.
Easy. What the? Bro, you're already tagged. You're already tagged. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Guys, I'm coming for you. Just know that. I'm coming for your souls.
Boy, if you don't get.
Got him. Good job.
Let me get.
I'm gonna get this purple guy. Wait, no, redo. Wait, no, redo. Oh, yes, please don't make me tag. Please don't make me tag. Please don't make me tag.
Glasses monkey. I have a question.
What's up?
You like?
What?
Oh no, senor.
Hi, Black. Oh. I'm going to tree camp. Because why not? Okay, I'm just gonna jump off. I'm gonna try. No, I missed. So I'm an idiot. I'm stupid. I'm an
Boy, if you don't.
idiot. I'm probably gonna get tagged.
Bro, chill with them arms. Shoot. Sir, you had chosen
What the?
I am not using the repercussions of my actions. I am just doing what I needed to.
You were doing drugs.
What?
What's happening?
Light blue.
GG, bro. Bro, what did you do? Oh, okay. Yo, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? You smart. Answer me.
What? Oh!
Honestly. You little shit stain.
What did you? Wait, was I the last person? I was.
GG, bro.
What the?
Yo, purple.
He could jump through this. Wow! That's crazy. Where is we're going? What the? I'm going up slide. No, I'm not. No. Nah.
GG. Nice juke, though.
Sigma.
GG. GG.
Dude, your arms crack me out, GG. Why is those music so loud? That's crazy. I'm getting crazy. He's probably tree camping because he's a loser. I never tree camp.
Boy, if you don't get
That's just crazy.
Do y'all know where the last guy is?
No, I don't know where he is.
Turn that damn music off.
In my cup, know that bitch is hungry. Really need no pussy.
Yo, I'm a freestyle while I play. You ready? Yo.
No, I'm a freestyler.
Yeah.
I'm a Ford freestyler.
That had a dream. Rest in peace. Double got shot up. Full piece. Yeah.
Shut up, full beast. Uh-oh.
Only
I've been
48 was
I've been seen.
Ah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Costco guy. Costco lies. Costco is everything. They need to die. Yeah.
What is bro yapping about?
Yeah. Guy with wings about to come and get me like his chicken fingers. Yeah. Oh, I'm middling him. Gonna put you up like.
Are you saying that
I'm gonna
he
put you up for
never?
adoption. You don't know what I'll do to you, whatever. Yo, cocking. Put the middle finger at me. All you can do is run away and say, "Oh, I'm yippee with me." Yeah, get out of my face. What are you doing? You look like a chicken. You look like
What was that damage, my guy?
so blind, so deaf.
Okay,
I don't know what to
boop.
do. When I scream it,
Yo,
you look like
noodles.
yeah.
Bro, I love
Are you
noodles.
talking about my disc? Only thing I'll do to you is put you in this song. Oh!
What's bro yapping about? Bro, I'm finna mute this guy.
Who liked my song? Who liked my song?
Buddy.
Literally no one. I'm finna mute
Wait,
you.
is this you?
Oh
Is
gosh.
that you?
Bro, what are y'all yapping about?
What were you yapping about? You were.
That song, it was amazing. And y'all just goddamn
Wait, did you change your name? Oh, no, you didn't.
I read that.
No, don't beatbox one. Play a beat. Like, get on your phone and, like, hold it up to the mic.
Oh, then no.
I'm not gonna play beat, but I'm gonna play Kendrick.
Yeah, play Not Like Us. Play Not Like Us.
God, is that Mickey
I was about to do that.
Get your autograph.
Yes. Hold it up to your mic and we're gonna sit here. We're gonna have a concert. What's the a rap battle? Ho. You see a free throw? Man down, call an ambulance. Don't. Yeah.
What is my guy yapping about?
Yeah. I'm not. Yo,
Hi, man.
Give me head top.
Cam, what's up?
Oh, thank you.
He's gonna get 200 pumped. Haha, you're gonna get 2 pumped. Haha, you just got 200 pumped. Get boxed, kid.
Yeah, the guy who's hugging. Kendrick Lamar or Drake.
Put 250.
Kendrick Lamar.
Oh, whoa, that's awesome.
That's my man.
He's coming for me now.
boy, if you don't get
That's actually awesome. How about you get all those guys in gazebo before you get me?
Play it. I don't care if I get tagged. You're in tag too, so we're sitting here together. I got it.
Whoa, that's awesome. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to mute that part on my video. That was copyright music. That's awesome.
Be advised, I'm gonna grab your butt cheeks and pull out my willy.
I can't believe all those songs were copyrighted, man. Screw him. Shut up. Over here. Actually, no, I'm not.
On your Oculus. And come back.
Guys, who wants a shout out?
It's just so
You want a shout out?
Is he smart or do ground good?
Yeah.
Where's Blue?
How do you hear them?
I'm not too bad, but I'm not too good. Alright, I'll show you.
Here, race
I'll run
me.
to the other ball.
Race me from here to the other side.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Bruh.
Keep going, keep going.
No. I'm not going after purple. No, I ain't tagging.
Got it.
Oh, you beat me.
Okay.
Yeah.
It goes so quick.
I built it. It's the gaming tool.
Bruh.
Okay.
Whoa, that's crazy. That's a tree.
Okay, you're making me dizzy, bro.
Bruh.
That's the entire part of my plan. Oh, that's awesome. I'm gonna tag you. I'm gonna tag you. I can kind of Lucio too.
Bruh.
No, I can't. Hey. Yes, I'm recording this outro and restart tag because this is the only game which I have a camera mod.
Boy.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. This actually took me like almost like 7 hours to edit. I'm joking. It probably took me like only 2 hours. But yeah, I hate that one guy that was playing copyright songs in the one lobby and then the soundboard in that city lobby. So, hate them. Yeah.
Bruh.
I'm joking. Do not hate them at all. That was a joke. I hate them though. Cause that's like another maybe 30 minutes of editing. I don't know. But I'll see you guys later. Stay safe out there in the world.